If you are able to sell just 10 pieces in a week, you are making 50,000 naira. To make money and become financially free is to have the right knowledge of what is money. Today I'm going to show you a business idea that will make you a millionaire if you start today, and no one is talking about it. It is not yet saturated. And the good thing about this business idea that will make you a millionaire is that you can start with no experience, and anyone can start regardless of age, educational level, social status, and the only requirement is your smartphone and a good internet connection. And I believe most people have a smartphone that can access the internet. But before we dive in detail, do me a favor to hit the subscribe button and smash the like button so that you will be the first to be notified anytime I upload a video like this. And I recommend you watch this video through the end because I will show you step by step how I did it and the product I promoted. Now let's dive into the video. The business idea or business model that will make you a millionaire and no one is talking about it is offline affiliate market. Yes, as the name implies, offline affiliate market is involved recommending a physical product to someone and getting paid when someone buys the product to you. It is offline affiliate marketing because it does not require a website, email list before you can get started or succeed. In this model of business, all you have to do is to find the product, the seller of the product, research the trendy product that you can promote. I will show you how to do that. You don't have to see the physical product or the owner in person, and this simple business idea can make you a millionaire through the commission. And the commission is very lucrative because you are the one to add the kind of commission you want, so you have the opportunity to determine the price. That is very good business idea. The amazing thing about this business idea that will make you a millionaire is that it requires no experience to get started. Literally anyone can start it. The only thing it will cost you is the time you use in recommending the product to someone. This is a very lucrative and profitable business idea, and it has enriched so many people that were struggling financially before. I'm a testimony of that. And a single product can pay you as much as 5,000 naira per one. So this means if you are able to sell just 10 pieces in a week, you are making 50,000 naira. So the first step is to find the product. In Nigeria, you can source trending products on gg.ng or Facebook Marketplace. You can get any trending product in any niche, be it health niche, gadget niche, fashion niche, or kitchen niche on the Facebook Marketplace or on gg.ng. Go to gg.ng.com. On the search bar, type in product name you would like to promote. But if you don't know the product name, don't worry. There is other ways to do that. Example, if you may want to promote kitchen appliances, just type kitchen appliances and all the kitchen appliances here will show up. You can select city or state right here and even the area in any city right here. These are the people selling this product in this area. Then click on the product, then contact the person, that is the seller, and negotiate the price. Tell the person you are reselling it and how much he or she will give the commission when you bring customer to the market. And add your own commission, maybe 20% to the original price of the product. Another way you can find seller of any product you want to promote is to go to the physical product market around you to find the wholesaler of the product and negotiate the price. That is the commission you will pay you. And you have find the product, and the next thing is how to find the customer. Just stick around because that is very easy, and I will show you how to do that shortly. The best place to find customer for free is your contact list, that is your WhatsApp status. Just post the product every day. Another best way to get customer faster is through Facebook advertisement. We need to spend some money on ad. Have you seen some ad like this on Facebook while scrolling on your timeline? Most of these products, the person promoting it is not the owner of the product. He's just promoting it to get a customer for the owner and get commission. And let me tell you something, guys. People have made a life-changing money from this product. The first product I promoted, I made 50,000 naira from that product in a week. In 1 week, I made 50,000 naira. But I will not go into detail on how to run successful Facebook ad, but I will leave the video link in the description below on how to run Facebook ad. And the bonus tips how to get customer for free faster is through TikTok. Download TikTok and create an account and start posting the value of the product. It will shock you. People will start buying. Finally, if you have any question about this business idea that will make you millionaire, the comment section is open and I will be there to answer your question. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, so that we can become a family. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in next video. You can watch this video.